Ms. Nahida sir, to invite me. First of all, I'd like to extend my heartiest and warm welcome to our most beautiful guest of today. I have not been introduced anyone in such a way with the word I would like to use. Whoever comes, I never use word beautiful, handsome, and like this. Mostly the guests have been introduced by their quality, by their pose, whatever. But before it, there is something which is very important, which actually I include in my welcome and I include in my way of welcome. Sometimes a dark room needs a light. Sometimes a dark room needs light. The reason because room needs light. But sometimes a light needs more light. Sometimes a light needs more light. The reason to show it is more brighter than the light which is present. As the day brights with the lights, we keep on the bulbs. But there is some more lights which is passed more than that light which is runs by the electricity. Although this hall is also full of light, there is no doubt at all. But still there is one more sparkling light which have arrived here, which makes this hall more brighter as it before. I would like to welcome this bright, beautiful, most a word in English literature is used, although the word I want to use not to be confused. A word handsome is also used for women, for girls. So not to confuse that the word handsome if I use, not to think it is for the boy, it's for the man. Even it is used for girls and women also. But in that condition when we are having the appreciation to someone more. So my words can be unique and different in use, but not means to make you confused. Actually, the person who is already been arrived here, he is sparking, dynamic, and